Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Tech Hub, and in this tutorial we are going to be talking about how to set up WordPress on Namecheap. So this is going to be a detailed tutorial, so make sure to stick till the end of this video. So let's just get started. So first of all, how to install WordPress using Softaclius. So what you are going to be doing is that once you order hosting service, you can start creating your own website using Softaclius, if I'm pronouncing that right, automatic app installer, and you can install WordPress in a few clicks. So below you can find a step-by-step guideline covering the process. So first of all, obviously we need to log into our cPanel, and once we do that, we are going to be navigating to exclusive for Namecheap customers section. And once we head over to that, we can see we have our soft app installer, and there you can see we have our apps installer. You need to get that, and on the home page click on install under WordPress icon, and once you do, you are on the next page. You will need to fill out the details of your WordPress installation and choose your domain. So you can see this is the setup that is required once you are installing your WordPress. So you have your domain in directory, password, database, table prefixes, and the site settings. So you can see we have all these fields that need to be set up, and when ready, scroll up and hit install. So in a few moments you will see the message that WordPress has been successfully installed, and there you go. From now you can go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard and start working on your website. For your convenience, we have created a category dedicated to most frequent WordPress related questions as well in here. So you can simply refer to that as well. So that's a pretty simple process on how you can easily install WordPress and set it up as well. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and please share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around. See you in the next video, and goodbye.